Salutations from the next generation of explorers. With the groundbreaking 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, be ready to enjoy the freedom of the wide open road. This RV, which has been expertly created for every trip, is a statement about living rather than merely a mode of transportation. Every element of Chevrolet's distinctive strength and style is on exhibit, from its striking, contemporary appearance with aerodynamic features intended to reduce wind and increase economy to its adjustable LED headlights that glow at night. For these RVs, a range of sturdy chassis options are available, such as the Chevrolet Express van base and the modified Silverado HD. A range of robust and dependable engines power them. With its amazing power and towing capacity, the well-known Ecotec 3 gasoline V8 engine guarantees a pleasant ride on any terrain. As an alternative, the Duramax Turbo-Diesel V6 engine offers great performance and fuel economy for reasonably priced transportation. Upon entering, you immediately note how advanced and driver-focused the dashboard is. All the relevant information is at your fingertips thanks to a digital instrument panel that can be customized and a sizable infotainment touchscreen that acts as the control center. You'll never get lost thanks to wireless Apple CarPlay, built-in navigation, and Android Auto compatibility. For extended trips, the ergonomic dashboard design with premium materials, brushed chrome accents, and gentle ambient lighting creates a contemporary and cozy cockpit. The main cabin of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome strikes the ideal mix between design and utility. The interior is spacious and light, and the motorized slide-out adds even more living space when parked. In addition to providing breathtaking views of your surroundings, large windows with creative curtains let in natural light. The ideal lounge space for entertaining or unwinding is created with a plush leather sofa and movable captain's chairs. Warmth and simplicity of upkeep are offered by alternatives to hardwood or long-lasting luxury vinyl flooring. After a day of exploring, the bedroom space is supposed to be a peaceful haven. A good mattress and a cozy queen or king-size bed provide a good night's sleep. There are side tables with separate reading lamps and USB charging jacks on either side of the bed. The interior is kept neat with built-in closets and roomy drawers that offer plenty of room for keeping all of your necessities. A serene ambience is created by windows with privacy curtains and soft lighting. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom is evidence that luxurious travel doesn't have to sacrifice comfort. The well-designed bathroom includes a large walk-in shower with good water pressure, a porcelain toilet, and a contemporary sink with high-end faucets. Convenience is offered with a huge mirror with built-in lighting and creative toiletry storage. The feel is clean and sanitary because of high-quality, readily cleaned materials. Any camper's kitchen is its main attraction, and the 2026 Chevrolet camper does not disappoint. With its large solid-surface countertop, 2-burner induction cooktop, convection oven/microwave, full-size refrigerator, and freezer, this kitchen is ideal for serious chefs. Even while cooking outside, meal preparation is made simple and enjoyable with a stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet and lots of storage space in the cupboards and drawers.